You're trying to basically go get your content out there. Now, I want to make this disclaimer as well. Warning. The information that I'm about to produce with AI, you do not, I repeat, you do not just copy and paste it into the website. I don't do that. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for checking out the video. Yo, today I'm gonna be talking about my process in writing blogs, okay? So I'm gonna show you how I do it, my steps in getting the information, the writing blogs, and make it super fast. And there gonna be a lot of key points in here, so make sure that you stay tuned and don't skip ahead, because I know some of y'all like skipping ahead, or some of y'all like you know, some of y'all like falling off early. But I promise this is gonna be super easy, that anyone can do this with no experience or anything like that. This video will help you with that. So let's jump over to the information here that I have about my keywords and the process I'm about to take. So let's get into it real quick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in Answer the Public. This is where you have to start. Answer the Public gives you 3 free searches a day on seeing what's out there. It gives you basically information about your search volume, the price per click, and basically it goes let you know about the search volume. So the search volume's good. Price per click is medium, so that doesn't really mean that shouldn't be too much competition. $5 competition, not really that bad. Now, if you get close up to 10 or higher, then that's when you got to worry about. If this says medium's okay, high, don't even try to mess with it. So, but lucky enough, the search engine, but the price per click's pretty low. And the cool thing now, they didn't do this before. This is new. When Answer the Public, it shows you the high, average, and low search volumes of this. So you can also, before we get up there, you can jump down here. I'm gonna go ahead and get that at the bottom. There's other keywords that you can see. You can save this information in a, well, actually they used to let you do that by now, since it's not free anymore. You used to be able to get all this information for free, but now it's not free anymore. You got to pay, I think, to export the information. Nope, actually no, it's still okay. Yeah, but as you can see, it'll only give you a certain amount of information unless you pay. So I guess that's what it did. They still let you export it, but they don't allow you to see the price per click. It's only the first one, which is understandable. So basically I go in here and I go and I look. Like I said, once you unlock, you get more things. I do not have a paid subscription for this, and it still does me well. A lot of things you don't have to pay for, but eventually once you start making money in your business, you're going to want to, let me fix this mic. You're going to want to spend a little bit more money on stuff for your business. Always invest into your business. All right. So basically like that, they really nerfed it. So there's not a lot of subtopics really you can do right here. So, but this is also fine because it basically gets straight to the point. These are basically like, social B tutorial, social B pricing, social B by itself. Is social me legit? These type of questions are the type of things, the type of keywords that you can use to get. I think this is going to be the third step. You should be able to see it up here. Third step up here that we go put in ChatGPT later on. But also I use another tool. It's called Promoter Kit. It's by this gentleman named Hassan, and this dude is awesome. I mean, if you see, I think, yeah, right here, make sure you follow him on his social media. Oh, you can't see it probably because my name, but here behind, I'll my family move over right there. See Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn right there. You want to go right there and follow this guy. He is really, really, really good. He builds these tools for us for free because he actually wants to go and help money. He never promotes a product or anything like that. He's always trying to provide value. So the keyword that I use, like I said, over here is social B. So also I'll come over here to look. Now over here, it says price per click is $1.94. But over here, it says that it's $4.95. The thing about it is that a lot of information, people, wherever the APIs that they use to pull the information from, people have different numbers on price per click and everything. So take it with a grain of salt. Kind of with a grain of salt, but you will get an idea of what the right keywords and stuff to use. Like I said, $5.94, those not that bad. It's pretty low. It's good. So I also look all the way down towards, zeros in here, but social B by itself, like $1.94, I mean, you can come up with a lot of things for social B. So here I will look through. Let's see, we got reviews, we got pricing, we got apps. What is social B? Now this right here would be a perfect. Some of these I don't know why they're double. It does it sometimes, but right here, what is social B? That right there is an excellent keyword. But I already have a few blogs about what social B is, so I won't be using that. So mostly I was thinking about social B, either social B pricing. Let's go and look over here and let's see. Like I said, I just popped this in before I started the video because I don't want to be like, you do this and this. Like, I wanted to show you like, okay, this is what happens when you pull up information, how it does, how you do it on the go. Let's see, we're social, no. So basically you want to, see, 1 minute, these are, wrong questions here. Oh no, these are the right ones. Okay, all right, no. Now see, sometimes you gotta be careful because you got social media becomes popular. Like some things become, yeah, you put social and it does give you something, social media, this and that, but these are still pretty good things within, maybe social media that you can add on when social media benefits start. You can put when social media, security, well, I wouldn't put security, but going up through here, sometimes I don't like those up there. But right here is social B, or usually without social B freelancers. There, right there, boom, social B pricing. Although the search volume is a little bit low, but right here is social B pricing. So we got them here and here. So this is what I usually try to look for. I try to look for keywords that are in here. We got pricing right here. 104 a month for pricing. But since you have social B, you see that right here that has over 6,000. things. So I'm going to write content around that. So we're going to do social B pricing. All right. So as you can see that it is trending. I don't know why it's not showing enough there. So I think I copied that. All right. So once you get your keyword, so we're going with social B pricing. I think we can click on that. Boom. Like it. Oh, that's another cool thing too. I totally forgot about that. Is that you can click on the areas here and it'll take you to the Google page of where it's pulling the information from. And right here as well is excellent questions to put at the end of the blog and also write blogs around this as well. So we got social B pricing. So this is also what I'll pull up. I'll pull this up here too as well, because normally at the end of my blogs, even multiple blogs, I'll put these questions at the end for free and ask questions. I only do about 2. I guess you can do free and ask questions for a lot, but it really depends on what it is. But when it comes to pricing, and if it deals with pricing, these are perfect things to write about and write blogs around this as well. So there's another tool that you guys can't see behind here, but I'll be doing a video on that later. Some of y'all probably already know what it is. If you do, let me know down in the comment section. All right, so we have our keyword. Keywords up. All right, so I already put a prompt in together for you guys right here. And if you guys want to know what this prompt is, or if you guys want to pause and look at it, well, depending on where you're looking at. If you want me to put it into the comment section, or if you want me to put it anywhere else, let me know. Anywhere else. Let me change up here. I forgot an extra dot there. So let me read it for you here. If you want, so I want you to pretend that you are a professional blog writer. Create me 20 blog titles that start with how to. How to is very important. How many, before you guys got even into this world of blogging or anything like that, how many times have you seen how to this, how to that, how to this, how to fits anything? So those are a lot of things, because that's usually when I think about it back then, when before I got into marketing, when I was searching for things, I always put how to do this, how to do this, how to fix my dryer, how to fix this dryer, how to sew, how to put this stuff on my car, whatever. Usually people say how to, so this is why you want to be with keywords that I will apply, that I will apply at, I know it's in, at the end of the prompt. See, I even catch some number at the end. At the end. There we go. Of the prompt. I guess I copied the wrong one from the wrong place. Sorry about that. Make sure that there we go again. I messed up one. Sometimes we're talking type. All right. Make sure that the blog titles are straight to the point and not too long. You do not have to explain what the action is about to take. Make sure that each blog title is SEO focused for engagement. All right, so we have our keyword. Get a keyword, put it in there, boom. We'll hit it, and we'll see what ChatGPT spits out. So now I know a lot of people may have access to Chat GPT 4, man, and actually I was watching a video that's supposed to be like a Chat GPT 4.13, some crazy numbers are coming out. So I understand that, but the blog titles that you're basically coming up, what you're doing is you're trying to basically go get your content out there. Now, I want to make this disclaimer as well. Warning, the information that I'm about to produce with AI, you do not, I repeat, you do not just copy and paste it into the website. I don't do that. Not all of these are good. So you got to skim through them. You can't just like copy, paste. You're not going to do that. So for this step, we're going to look through, we're going to see, like I said, I'm doing this real time. And one thing I guys want to remember, I don't like too many cuts in my videos, right? I like to feel organic. I like it to feel that you guys are here with me and I'm explaining it to you. Okay. No Hollywood production here, right? I just provide information. You take it, you run with and go. I don't have time to make everything look pretty and all these other things because I have so much information to put out here and I don't have time to glamorify myself. So, I'm glamify the channel. I mean, I might put, little sparkles in here, something like that, but, that's about it. All right, so let's see here. See how to get the best deal. No. How to save money with. No. How to choose pricing plan for your business. All right, so that one right there is a good one right there. All right, so this is gonna be the one. Now, normally I should have done this earlier, but when you get these 20, okay, because sometimes they change differently. You may get it, like I said, you can get it up to 3 different keywords. You can open up a Google spreadsheet or even a Google Doc, whatever, and keep track of these titles and make blogs behind them. Because once I show you how easy it is, it's gonna be crazy. So we're going to be how to choose the right social media plan for your business. Okay. Now, social media has changed their information, right? So so when it starts talking about pricing plans, that's another thing too. We talking about software and stuff that has pricing plans. Make sure that you go back to that website that you're that the affiliate program that you're writing about and check to make sure that the price is right. Because Price is Right, I used to love that show. Anyway, make sure that the price is accurate. So that when people bring you information, they're not, oh man, this ain't right. Best thing that you can do, go to the web page, open up the pricing plan, screenshot it, put it in your blog. That's the best way to do it. It's in the blog, the picture's there, then you can fix the information from there. So we're gonna do it like this. All right, so we're going with this title for the blog. Now, this is the service that I use. I use WriteSonic. Some of y'all probably heard of WriteSonic. Okay, I've been using WriteSonic for 2 years now, so I've been through every single cycle of their words. Because it used to be totally different. Of using first, they used to have coins. Use one coin for this, one coin for that. Then it used to be word count. Then it used to be character count. Then it used to have premium average. It used to have all these different types of things, and now they changed it to just 2 to make it simple. It's just Chat 3.5 and Chat GPT 4.4, Chat GPT 4. Okay, so all right, now these are my bookmarks. This is what you're going to use here. I'll go over these tabs, but I'll let you get a quick leak. This is some of the main things that I use for WriteSonic. Because WriteSonic, yes, you can get blog titles. WriteSonic, you can't do this, but what I do is I save my word count that you can see right here. I save this. So when I'm writing my articles, I use ChatGPT free information that it writes for me and use this to come over here so I don't lose my word count each month, because you only get so many depend on your price plan. And so I'll use it smartly. Use ChatGPT to come up with the titles, then I use the word count and within WriteSonic to write my articles. So here, check it out. All right, this is what it is. This is how simple it is, okay? You got your blog title from ChatGPT, right? How to choose the right social media price plan for your business. All right, so we got right there. Boom. Remember, we got 20 of them. Now, I may cut out the video here because it does take a little time for it to process it. Then once it comes up, then I'll be back with you. All right, y'all, it is done. Now, check this out. Now, check how easy this is, y'all, for real. Right here, we got the name of the blog, all right? The title of the blog. And we got that from ChatGPT. Right. So we're just going to go through the blog real quick. Like I said, right now, you're just gathering the blog. You're not trying to edit it, nothing like that, anything. It's all about the process and speed of writing the blog. That's all. That's it. Nothing else. All right. So we go look through it. Now, like I told you before, normally anything with pricing, you got to make sure you go through, check all the plans, through the website, make sure all the information is correct. Sometimes they give you a little brief here. So it looks good. FAQ questions, really good right here as well. A little bit. Now, when it comes to conclusions, take it out. take it out. Now you're gonna say, man, I'm losing my word count. No. Now remember this: when the AI writes the conclusion part, and what I do is, and most people I have listened to that are better blog writers than me or been doing it longer than me, is that you take out the conclusion part, you go over. So like since I use answer the public, I hit, on pricing, social B pricing, and look, FAQ questions. These FAQ questions is what you're going to put at the end of this blog right here. Okay. Answer those questions. And like I said, drop down. I mean, you can use AI, whatever, or you can go to the website yourself, or you can, wherever way that you want to research to find the information out, do that. All right. Once you answer those questions, paste them at the end of your blog. And that's it. Make sure that you add some pictures. So since this is a pricing plan from the website, you can pull those pricing plans from the website. What I would do on this one is like the pricing plan prices, I would put pictures under these right here, just on these three for the cost, and then come down here extra, break it up a little bit. Now people are like, oh, okay, break it down, but all right. I'm not gonna talk about how to structure the blog doing it, but you can do that. All right. So you got your information, you seen that, okay, it's decent. You got your FAQs that you're gonna add at the end of the blog, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over here. Once you're done, you're gonna come up to here. You're going to click on either one of these that you want to. If you got a WordPress website, you can import it to WordPress. Super fast, super simple. But since I use Wix to do all my email, my SRM type things, customers, everything, that's what I use. So I just click download, which I think I already clicked once already. All right, so once it's download, let's go ahead and check this out real quick, and I'll show you. Boom, right here. All right, so I did copy it. I did hit it more than once. All right, it's the same blog. So you got the heading for your blog now, right? So you just go over here, go to rename. Boom, done. And I hit the extra button. That's it. And now you have them, stacked. So let me grab this other list for you. My list of the blogs that I did yesterday. All right, here it is. I wrote 8 blogs yesterday, right? Yes, I could done more, but with my content strategy plan that I use, I only need 7 a week. I don't need to overburden myself to keep going. Now, there's a day during my week schedule where that I can post more, and I do have more. And also, if you see it blurred out here, the reason I have it blurred out here is because I don't want nobody stealing my blog ideas and posting blogs with the same blog title as me. You got some people out there that does that, but that is basically just how simple it is. Simple information, upload it, boom, and you're done. So if you found this video helpful, man, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know what I can do to make things better. Like I said, I'm a no-show type of guy. I don't like to be flashy. I just like to go and give you information, but I'll do my best to keep it short and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know how I did. Make sure you follow me on social media, yada, yada, yada. You guys already know. You guys watch plenty of videos. But the main thing of it is that you took the time to catch me here at the end of the video. And thank you very much. You guys have a great day. Talk to y'all later. Peace out, man.